Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of salty, sweet, tangy, spicy raw mango popsicle. This popsicle is completely different from the regular one. Raw mango popsicle is so refreshing during summer. I'm going to prepare this popsicle from our garden mangoes. So this is something special to me. My amma is only plucking the mangoes from the tree. Organic, fresh, raw mangoes are ready, and without further ado, let's get started. I have taken 4 raw mangoes, so if the mangoes are larger in size means you can take 3. Take the mangoes in a steamer and steam it for 20 minutes. Let the mango steam and we have some ingredients to grind now. Take 1 cup of sugar in a mixie jar. Add in 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves. In goes 1 small piece of green chilli, so this green chilli gives that spicy flavor. I'll grind the sugar mix into a fine powder. Look at it friends, the minty flavor sugar mix is ready now. The mangoes are steamed perfectly and I'm removing it. Transfer this in a mixing bowl and cool it completely. Remove the skin of the mangoes and slice it roughly. Well, the steaming time might vary depending on the mango types. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt into the sugar mix. All this gives that khata meeta flavor to our popsicles. Add in the steamed mangoes. Grind it into a smooth paste by adding water. Totally, I have taken 2 cups of water to grind it into a smooth paste like this. Add in 2 drops of green food color. I have grinded it and raw mango popsicle mix is ready now. Strain it so that we'll get smooth raw mango mix. Since the mix is thicker, I'm using spoon to strain it. We have smooth raw mango popsicle mix now. Take the popsicle mold and transfer the mix into it. I have a playlist which has variety of mango dishes. So do check it out and try in this mango season. I'll leave the playlist link in the description below. The popsicle molds are filled with the raw mango mix. Keep the popsicle molds in freezer for overnight or at least 8 hours to set. This is water apple from our garden. Usually we used to get the raw mangoes as well as water apple at the same time. The popsicles are frozen perfectly and I'll unmold it. Dip the popsicle mold in lukewarm water and unmold the popsicles. Isn't it easy friends? And we need only few ingredients to make raw mango popsicle. Subscribe my channel if you like this recipe. Do try this delicious, refreshing raw mango popsicles and share me the feedback. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.